Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a WhatsApp video call not working in iPhone. So guys, if you are iPhone user and having problem when you want to do any video call on your WhatsApp to your friend or any other person, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, the main reason of call interruptions or call not working is internet. So guys, simply first of all you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if not connected, then guys you need to connect first, and guys if you are using mobile data, then guys you need to turn on your mobile data. And guys, if you have connected already your Wi-Fi, then guys simply you need to tap on Wi-Fi, and guys you need to forget this network, and guys you need to connect it again with your iPhone. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys second method is you need to open your settings, scroll it down, click on general, and guys scroll it down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and click on reset network settings. So guys, by doing this your problem will be fixed. And guys, third method is you need to check that VPN is connected or not. So guys, if not connected, then guys you need to, or if your VPN is connected, then guys you need to disconnect your VPN. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, after doing this the main problem that is WhatsApp update. So guys, make sure that your WhatsApp app is updated. So guys, how can you check that? You need to open your app store in your iPhone, and guys here you need to search WhatsApp, as you can see here. After searching WhatsApp, you need to open your WhatsApp here, and guys here you can see if you have any kind of update here, you need to update your WhatsApp. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. So guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your WhatsApp, click on settings, click on help, and guys you need to click on contact us. And guys here you need to write your problem that you are facing related to video call, and guys you need to tell them your problem and they will fix your problem within few minutes. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.